Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. Today you'll be learning more common positive Filipino adjectives. The more of these you know, the more comfortable you can be around locals and vice versa. Try to learn them for fun. Let's start with malaki. This means big. Ma-la-ki. Malaki. 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 Malaki ka. Malaki ako. Malaki ang bahay ko. Marami means many or a lot. Ma-ra-mi. Marami. 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 Marami akong pera. Marami ka bang kaibigan? Oo, marami. The next word is malinis. It is clean in English. Ma-li-nis. Malinis. 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 Malinis ba talaga? Oo, malinis. Malinis ang bahay mo. Malinis ang kamay ko. Matalino means intelligent, smart, or clever. Ma-ta-li-no. Matalino. 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 Matalino ba siya? Oo, matalino siya. Matalino si John. Matalino si ate. The last word is mabilis. This means fast. Ma-bi-lis. Mabilis. 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 Mabilis siya. Mabilis sila. Mabilis sila kumilos. Mabilis ang service nila. These are just some of the most common adjectives you can use to describe someone or something in Filipino. Now it's practice time. Say the words after me. This means big. Malaki. This means many, a lot. Marami. This means clean. Malinis. Intelligent, smart, clever. Matalino. This means fast. Mabilis. I hope you find these words useful, especially when you want to talk to a local. This is SpeakUP. Paalam po.